Welcome guys. So we are looking at measure of center tendency and where to find for the mean, median, mode. And first of all, what we have to do is we're given the data. So let's go through our formulas. We're told that the mean is summation of f of x. F of x means f times the frequency times the mean class value all over the sum of all the frequency. That's for the mean. Then the median is Li plus n over 2 minus CFBH all over f. What that means is, this means the Li is the lower class boundary of the median class. We have to find median class actually. Then the lower class boundary of that class is Li or L1 plus n over 2. That's also the sum of the frequency divided by 2 minus the cumulative frequency before that class all over the frequency. And the mode is also going to be Li plus. That means the lower class boundary of the modal class. Then the frequency of the modal class is F1, while the frequency before is Fo, and the frequency after is F2. So if we just input into this formula, that means frequency of the modal class minus frequency before all over 2 times the frequency of the modal class minus frequency before and after multiplied by class width or class interval. Yes, so first of all, we're given, so let's write all we're given out. We're given the frequency of 8, 14, 12, 9, 7. 8, 14, 12, 9, and 7. So we can find the sum of f in this case. So let's first of all find the class boundary. What we have to do for the class boundary is to subtract 0.5 from the lower class interval and add 0.5 to the higher class interval. So that's what we're going to do. So when we do that, this one is going to give us 0.5, then this is going to be 10.5. Subtract 0.5 from 11, that's also 10.5, down to 20.5. This is 20.5, down to 30.5, 30.5 to 40.5, then 40.5 to 50.5. So how do we get the mid-class value? The mid-class value is, we're going to be adding this together, like 1 plus 10 divided by 2, which is 5.5. This is 5.5. And this is also going to be 11 plus 20 divided by 2, which is 31 divided by 2, which is 15.5. If we continue this, you will discover that the next one is going to be 25.5 and also 35.5, 45.5. So the next thing to do is this. We need to begin to multiply. We'll multiply this now. So 5.5 times 8, 5.5 times 8. This is x and this is f. So fx means we multiply, then this is going to give us 44. Then 15.5 times 14 is going to give us 217. Then 25.5 times 12 is going to give us 306. And 35.5 times 9 is going to give us 319. 319.5. Then 45.5 times 7 is going to give us 318.5. So this means sum of f of x. That means we're going to add the two to get all the fx together. So whatever we get there, we write it down as our sum. So let's do that now. So let's add together. That means 44 plus 217 plus 306 plus 319.5 plus 318.5 is going to give us 1205. So let's add the f together. That means the frequency together. We have 8 plus 14 plus 12 plus 9 plus 7 is going to give us 50. So we can actually find our mean. Our mean is summation of f of x all over sum of x, which is what? And summation of fx is 1205 all over 50. So let's do that now. 1205 divided by 50 is going to give us the mean is going to give us 24.1. So we've gotten the mean. So now we're looking for median. So the median, as we said, Li plus n over 2 minus CFH over F. So we need to first of all find the median class. Let's find the median class. The median class is going to be, let's say, n divided by 2. In this case, our n is sum of summation f divided by 2, which is 50 divided by 2, and that's 25. So which of these, so let's look for the cumulative frequency. Cumulative frequency will be adding all the frequencies together. And in this case, the first frequency is 8. So 8 plus 14 is going to give us 22, plus 12 is going to give us 34, plus 9 is going to give us 43, plus 7 is going to give us 50. So now, where does this fall into now? We got 25. Which of these do we have 25? The sum stops at 22. So this is going to be our median class. Our median class. So for us to get our median class now, what we have to do is, since we know our median class, so we can substitute into this formula now. Our L1 is going to be 20.5 plus 50 divided by 2 minus cumulative frequency before is 22, so that is minus 22. The class width or the class interval, if we count from 21 to 30, that's 10, so that class width is 10, and the frequency of the median class, yes, is 12. So what do? We write 12 here now, so we can solve now. That's why we have 20.5 plus 25 minus 22 all over 12 times 10. So that's, we're going to have 20.5 plus 3 over 12 times 10. So we have 20.5 plus, this is 1 over 4, and that's 0.25. 0.25 times 10. So it gives us 20.5 plus 2.5. So, and that's going to give us 23. So 23. So the median is 23. So how do we find the mode now? The mode, if you remember, we have our Li plus F1 minus F0 over 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 multiplied by the class width, in this case H. So let's substitute. We need to find the modal class now. The class with the highest frequency is the modal class. So let's look for the class with the highest frequency here. It's this one. So this is a modal class. So that means this is our F1, FO, and F2. So FO is 8, F1 is 14, and F2 is 12. So what do we have now? We have, and what is the mid-class value of that? The lower class boundary of that is 10.5. So what do we have now? So they're going to give us 10.5 plus 14 minus 8 over 2 times 14 minus 8 and minus 12. The class width is also 10. So what do you have now? It's going to give us 10.5 plus 6. So 28 minus 8 is 20 minus 12 is 8, all multiplied by 10. So let me check that out again. Am I here? Yes, that's correct. So this here is 3, this here is 4. That means we have 10.5. 3 over 4 is 0.75 multiplied by 10. And so we add that together, I have 10.5 plus 7.5. So 10.5 plus 7.5 is going to give us 18. So our final answer is going to be 18. So that means our median, our mode is 18. So we got our mean to be what? From the question, our mean, from our answer, our mean is 24.5, 24.1, median is 23, and our mode is 18. So thank you guys. See you next class. Bye.